Let's spend a few minutes talking about moving around in the different views in Microsoft Project. Now, we've already discussed that the Gantt chart is the default view, and it comes with the timeline view on top. Now, if I click on the View tab, over here where it says Split View, I can turn that timeline view on or off. And we're going to build out timeline views later on in this course when we talk about communicating and reporting. I can also click on the details and bring up what we call the split screen view with your task form on the bottom, and that gives us more details about that task that you have highlighted. Now I can look for the splitter cursor by moving my cursor in the middle, and I can click and drag that down. I can also double click on it and get rid of the split screen view altogether. Now if you don't have the timeline view on, you can go to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click and bring this split screen view back up. And again, I can move this around, or I can double click on that and get rid of it altogether, or simply click on details on or off here. Now if I have details checked off and I click on the timeline view, the details goes away because you cannot have three views running at the same time. You'll also notice that if I click on the Task tab, on the left hand side there's a Gantt chart and a drop down arrow, and I can change my views here, so I can go from my Gantt chart to my calendar view. I can switch to a network diagram view, I can switch to a resource sheet view, and so forth. So you can change your views quite easily in that regard. Under the resource tab, if I click on the drop down list under the team planner view, I can change my views here as well. So I can switch from team planner to calendar to whatever you want from that list as well. Under the view tab, you'll notice that there's an area for task views and resource views. Now really, a task view is listing the task and information about that task. So I have my Gantt chart, my task usage view, and so forth. A resource view, like say the resource sheet, is really listing the resource and information about that resource. So it's resource centric, and I can change my views that way as well. You'll also notice in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, I can choose in the status bar here to click on Gantt chart, to click on task usage, to click on team planner view, and my resource sheet as well. So I can change my views here. Now for those people who have been using Project for a while, in previous version there was a view bar over here, and it's still there if you want it. I can come over to the left hand side of the screen and right click where it says Gantt chart, and I can turn on view bar, and this allows me to click on calendar, Gantt chart, and any custom views that you may have created will pop up there as well. So some people like that because it's quick and easy access to different views, and some people don't because it takes up a little bit of real estate on the screen. So I can right click and remove the view bar. I can right click and add the view bar, just your preference, and it just gives you that list of views that you would find under the view tab or under the task tab when you click on the Gantt chart. Same list. So that's just your personal preference. So moving around from view to view in Microsoft Project 2013, as you can see, is very easy. And now that you know how to use and move around the different views, later on in this course, I'm going to teach you how to customize those views.